how do you scan Instagram QR code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily scan the QR code from your Instagram. So to scan the QR code, simply head over to your profile section from the bottom right corner over here and simply click on share profile option you can see on the screen. And once you click on it, you can actually either download it or just screenshot it so that other people can share scan your profile. So to scan, you just have to simply click on this top right corner over here. You can see the scan button over here, so simply click on it, and once you click on it, you can either scan it if it's in PDF, if you have printed it out externally, or you can simply click on this gallery option at the top right corner over here, and once you click on it, you can simply select this QR code just like this, and you can scan it just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily scan your Instagram QR code. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.